Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Key and Dev. In this video we will see how to make paper bag. So the materials required are sheet, scissor, ribbon, punching machine and a Fevicol. Take a rectangular sheet and fold it like this. If the sheet is not rectangular, you can cut it with the help of a scissor. Put the Fevicol like this to paste the sheet. For the bottom of the paper bag, fold the sheet like this. Now make two triangles at the two sides of the folded sheet. Open the triangles and open the folded part. On these 4 points, we'll put the Fevicol. For the top part, put Fevicol only on the 2 points and not at the center. And for the bottom part, we put Fevicol on the 2 points and the center as well. Now fold the sheet almost 1 centimeter from both the sides. Turn the sheet and then fold it again. Open all the folded parts carefully and your bag is ready. For making the handle of the paper bag, punch the bag from the center like this and put the ribbon inside the holes. Our paper bag is ready and you can keep the gift inside the bag. Thank you for watching our video. And if you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel.